Bonding hot and cold copper connections of the hot water heater is important. This ensures a continuous path for electrical current to flow between the water heater and the grounded electrical system. This helps prevent electrical shocks and other hazards. Even with PX plumbing, the copper connections remain part of the electrical circuit. Bonding ensures the entire circuit is properly grounded. Use a copper wire or a bonding strap to bond the hot and cold copper connections of the water heater. The wire or strap should be sized in accordance with the National Electrical Code (NEC). And inspectors' concerns about a bell transformer are valid. Bell transformers can generate heat, and improper mounting can cause a fire hazard. Mount bell transformers away from flammable materials and excessive heat. Using a plug-in style transformer is a good alternative. This eliminates the need to mount the transformer and reduces fire risk. Cover any exposed low-voltage terminals on the transformer with electrical tape to prevent accidental contact. Mounting the bell transformer in a location where it will not be exposed to flammable materials or where it will not be subject to excessive heat is important.